Hi friends, welcome back to Chennai Tech Point. Today's session we are going to see some of the most asked Java collection interview questions and answers. Let's start the session. First one, what is the difference between Hashmap and Hashtable? Hashmap is not synchronized, whereas Hashtable is synchronized. Hashmap can contain one null key and multiple null values, whereas Hashtable cannot contain any null key or null value. Hashmap is not thread safe, so it is useful for the non-threaded application, whereas Hashtable is thread safe and it can be shared between the various threads. Hashmap inherits the abstract map class, whereas Hashtable inherits the dictionary class. Next one. What is the difference between comparable and comparator? Comparable provides only one sort of sequence, whereas comparator provides the multiple sort of sequences. Comparable provides one method named as a comparative, whereas comparators provide the one method called as a compare method. Comparable is found in the java.lang package. Comparator located in java.util package. Comparable, we implement the comparable interface. The actual class is modified. In comparator, the actual class is not changed. Next one. What is the advantage of the properties class? If you can change the value in the properties file, you do not need to recompile the Java class. So it makes the application easy to manage. It is used to store the information which is to be changed frequently. Next one, how to synchronize the list, set and map elements. Yes, collections class provide the collections is a utility class in Java collection framework. Collections class provide the methods to make list, set, map elements as a synchronized. You can see below, these are the methods: synchronized list, synchronized set, synchronized sorted set, synchronized map, synchronized sorted map. These are the methods provided by the collections utility class. With the help of these methods, we can synchronize list, set, map elements. Next one. What is the advantage of the generic collections? There are three main advantages of using the generic collections. If you use the generic class, we do not need of typecasting. It is a type safe and checked at the compile time. Generic confirms the stability of the code by making the bug detectable at the compile time. It will detect the bugs at the compile time. These are the advantages of the generic collections. What is the difference between array and array list? The main differences between array and array lists are below. Array list is of fixed size, means we cannot resize the array size as per the user need. Array list is not of the fixed size. We can change the size dynamically. Arrays are of static type. Array lists are dynamic type. It will increase the size dynamically. Arrays can store the primitive data types as well as the objects, whereas array list cannot store the primitive data types. It can only store the objects. Next one, how to convert array list to array and array to array list. We can convert any array to array list by using the hasList method of the arrays class. HasList method is a static method of the arrays class and accept the list objects. Consider the below following example. Syntax for converting array to array list is arrays.hasList. We need to provide the items as a parameter. We can convert any array list to array using toArray. This is the method. toArray is a method of the ArrayList class. Consider the following syntax to convert the array list to list object. Here we are using list object dot to array. Here we need to creating new string elements. In this way we can convert the array list to array and array to array list. Next one, how to reverse the array list. This is the example for the reverse the array list. We are creating one list object. In that list we are storing the integer elements. We are creating while loop to iterate all the elements. Collection utility class having the so many methods. Dot reverse is a one method provided by the collection utility class. Here you can see collections dot reverse. We need to provide the list object. It will reverse all the array list elements and finally it will print the reverse order. Next one, how to sort the array list to descending order. Here we are creating one array list object. We are inserting the elements into list. We are using collections.sort to sort all the elements in ascending order. Finally, in that ascending order, we are adding the reverse dot order. We are creating object for the comparator, collection dot reverse order. It will collect all the elements in the reverse order. Finally, with the help of collection dot sort, we are providing all the list elements, comma, comparator object. Next one, when you use the array list and when we use the linked list. Linked lists are better to use for the update the operation. Suppose we need to do the any manipulation or update operation, we go for the better to go for the linked list. Whereas array lists are better to use for the searching operations. Thank you for watching. For more updates, please subscribe my channel.